Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a crypto ledger. Alright, as you can see, this is actually the front end of this particular website. Everything is already talking about crypto wallet already. So without me wasting your time, let's just go straight to the dashboard so you can see how this particular website work. So this particular video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up this particular website for yourself and how this particular website works. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to log in to create an account. So I already have an account already. So I'll just log into my account. So once you log into your account, take you straight to this particular dashboard which you are seeing right here. Alright, so as you can see in this particular dashboard, we have this dashboard, we have receive, send, buy. Then for the sidebar, we have overview, wallet connection, profile, card support, and logout right here. So the first thing we are going to be exploring on this particular video is the received. All right, so let us start from here. Receive. We just walk through the dashboard and go to the other part. Let's want to receive Bitcoin. That is to deposit. All right, so to click on receive. All right, so you can just copy this particular address right here. So I can make a payment to this particular address. Your money will be credited to your account once that has been confirmed. So that's how the receive feature actually works. That's how you can deposit on this particular website. All right, so the next part is the send. Let's do the send of this particular Bitcoin. Let's say we want to send out um Bitcoin. Okay, amount in Bitcoin. Let's say 0.0.1 or 0.1 Bitcoin. All right, so you can see the equivalent amount of that amount of Bitcoin. As you can see that right there. So let's input my address right there. The network is actually Bitcoin. So click on continue. All right. Okay, let's give it time to load. All right, you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is 1000 USD. So I have to withdraw from my USD back here. Let's say I want to withdraw 1 million USD. Okay. Do I have enough? I don't have enough balance. So once I found my, once I go to the admin, then when I found my account, then I'll come and test out this receive again. Then for this buy place, just take you to an external site where you can actually still buy cryptocurrency from this particular website here. So let's leave that. So the next part is the overview. The overview, you can just see all your particular coin available on this particular website. You can click on anyone. So click on anyone, you can do send and receive, just like the one on the dashboard. Then we have wallet connect, so you can actually connect your wallet to this external wallet to this particular platform. Whether you want to connect your trust wallet, your MetaMask, or whatever, you can connect it to this particular platform. So you can just input the wallet name, then put your phrase right here, right? Your phrase. All right. So once you have input your phrase right there, just click on connect. All right. A minimum of 12 or 24 characters. All right. So let's input. Let's make this a little bit. All right. So input your wallet name right there. Click on connect wallet. Phrase must be 12. Okay. I don't know why that's not working, but if you're actually putting your free phrase, that should work. The next part is the profile part. So the profile part is just to copy your UID, your full name, your email, country, phone number. So this is your phrase right here. So if you register an account, automatically your phrase will be generated for you. So let me try and use that to connect this particular wallet. Let's see if that will work, because that phrase being generated for anytime you register to be generated for you. All right, so let's wait for it to load. Right, wallet connected successfully. So as you can see, and that wallet details will be seen in the admin. Alright, so the next feature of this particular website is the card. We click on card, so users can actually apply for card. So this particular account does not have any card right now, as you can see. So let's say we want to apply for card. Let's say Payment method, let's say we want to use Bitcoin to apply for the card. The amount is $1,200. So let's say get card, right? Let's reload this. Let's get the card. Alright, card request submitted successfully. Alright, so you have to make a payment directly to this particular address right here. You can just copy this or you scan this address there. So once you're done with the payment and the payment has been confirmed, you should have the card right here. So I'll walk you through that too. Alright, so that's just all about this user dashboard, and you can see it's very easy and very straight to the point. As you can see, you have your current rate of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Trust, Tron, USD, and stuff like that here. So next part now is to walk you to the admin so we can see how that actually work. Alright, so once you log into your admin, the admin should be your domain name / admin. Alright, so once you log into your admin, take it straight to this particular dashboard which you are seeing right here. Alright, as you can see, we have on the admin panel, we have like a little bit of chart right here. Bitcoin, you can switch to XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and stuff like that right here. So we're not concerned about that. So let's go to the sidebar here, which we have user, connect wallet, send transaction, KYC, card, settings, and change password. Alright, let's start from the first part, which is user. Click on user. You can fund a particular user. Let's say I want to fund this user. I think this should be my account. Let's fund this particular user. Click on fund. So I want to fund this particular user. Let's say I want to fund my USDT Ethereum, USDT ERC20. So let me fund that. Let's increase my balance of all my USDT. So we can click on and test out that withdrawal right quick. Right, let me increase my balance. Okay, click on update all balance. Once click on update all balance, that money should have been credited directly into my account. Alright, let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay, so see successfully updated. Okay, so if I go back to my dashboard, let me reload this. My balance, current balance, as you can see, automatically my balance has been created. So now let's test that withdrawal. Let's say we want to withdraw USDT ERC20. Let's click on that. Let's click on send out. Alright, so input our amount of 1 million. That's actually the minimum withdrawal for this particular site. Alright, so input my wallet address USDT TRC. So my network should be TRC, or let me see, my network should be Ethereum Tron ERC20. Let's click on continue that. Alright, so see you now have enough TRC to qualify, but not have enough TRC. So let me do I don't have enough TRC, so let me fund my Ethereum account. So Ethereum account should be funded. Okay, so let me fund my Ethereum account. Click on update. Alright, successfully updated. So let me go back here, click on continue. Alright, so you have successfully transcend 1 million USDT TRC20. Alright, so see, that's how the withdrawal actually works. As you can see, that's how you can fund a particular user account right on this particular website. Alright, so the next thing we'll talk about is the wallet connect. Click on that. So this way you see all the users which have connected their wallets, and you can see their wallet phrase right here, and you can see the wallet name right here for each and every user on this particular website who have connected their wallets to this particular platform. Alright, so this way you will see that. Then we have send transaction. Right, in this send transaction we have this one right here. So you can click on view. So you can just approve a particular transaction if it's approved for deposit there. Alright, so I forgot to mention something here. So once you fund a particular user account on this particular place right here, so if you go here to this particular one which I funded, you will see the history right here. So you can see receive. Automatically the transaction is being created for the person. So that's how you can, if a user make deposit on the site, so this is how you actually do that. You just fund the amount and the history will show on the person account. So just know that. Alright, so let's go to KYC. We have KYC, so this way you can see KYC of each and every user of this particular website. So you can approve them. You can see the KYC right here. So when this KYC is actually done, when user registry. So once you're registering a new account, you'll be asked to submit your KYC details, unless you will not be able to access this particular website. All right. Next part is the card. Click on card. So I just apply for a card and see it's pending right here. So if I go to my card on my website now, as you can see, I don't have any card. Still waiting for approval. All right. So let me go here. I want to approve my account now automatically. All right. So you can see approve card right here. It says approved already. So I go to my browser. All right. So you can also see approved card. So let's go to settings. This setting is just to change your site name, site URL, and email address. So that's what you can do on this setting. Right. So we have change password. Change password here is to change the admin username or password. All right. So see, this is how this particular site actually works. So the next part I'm going to be talking about is how you can actually set up this particular website yourself, how you can install it, and how to actually use and manage this particular website. So that's how what we're talking about in the next video. All right, now so I'm going to be showing you how you can actually install this particular website for yourself or for your client. All right, so the first thing to do is to actually do this, you need to have your domain name and hosting. If you don't know how to do that, just contact the number below this particular video. All right, so once you have purchased the domain name and hosting, should you have the cPanel details. So once you log in, you take you straight to this interface which you are seeing right now. All right. So once you have logged into your cPanel, what you just have to do is to look for a place called File Manager. This particular right here, click on File Manager. All right. So once you click on File Manager, then scroll down to look for public underscore HTML. This particular right here, click on it. So once you click on it, you just click on upload if you want to upload it into the public underscore HTML, which is the main directory. But no, I don't want to do that. I already have a subdomain which I've created already. So let's go there to my subdomain. If you're uploading your site public underscore HTML, just follow the same step which I'm actually still doing. Alright, so just click on upload. Once you click on upload, select files. Once you click on select files, the zip file which will be given to you once you make your payment. This is the zip file right here, is uploading. Alright, so just wait for it to upload. It should be very fast, it just depends on your network. So once the percent gets to 100% and the color turns to green, just know it has finished uploading. So let's wait for it to finish uploading, then we can move on with the next step. Alright, in 100% and it shows green, just know it has finished uploading. So we can cancel this. Once you cancel this, just reload your page, reload right here. So right click on extract. Once you click on extract files, let's click on extract files. Let's wait for it to finish extracting. Alright, so once you just see this, just know that your file has finished extracting. So you can close that, then reload this page. You don't need this zip file anymore. Just click on delete. You don't need it anymore. Confirm that has been deleted. Alright. So you should just have a folder right here like this. So double click to enter that particular folder. Select all. This particular right here. Select all. Then click on move. Alright. So if you upload yours inside the public underscore HTML, just clean everything until it look like this. Alright. But if you did put yours inside the public your subdomain, you just have just the subdomain name right there. Alright. So that's how I did mine. But if you upload yours to the public underscore HTML, is the main directory, clean everything until showing the public underscore HTML. Alright, once you have done that, just click on move files. Once you move files, everything will be moved outside, move directly to your public underscore HTML. In my case, this is my domain. Alright. So the next step now is to actually we have an installation guide here. So you can actually follow the installation guide to actually see do what I'm doing. All right. So next step we should do now is to actually create our database. All right. So to create our database, very easy to do. So once you're in this place, just go to this search tools right here. Search for DB. DB. This first one you're seeing right here, which is database wizard. Click on that. Click on database wizard. You'll be asked to create your database name, create a database. All right. So to create my database name, you can name it whatever name you want to name it. just remember that particular name we should use there. So this is test. Let me just say this is test. I want my database name to be test. So let's click on next step. All right. So I click on next step, or you can just use DP depending on you. So I click on next step. Okay, now perfect. Database name has been created. Now we have to create our user. All right. So create our user. You can just name it user, but I just want everything to be the same. So let me just name my test. All right. For my password, you can click on password generator right here. Just copy this password, then click on this radio right here. I've copied this password and use password. But I don't want to do that. I just want my database name, my username, and my password to be the same thing. So I just do that and paste that here again. Once I've done all this, click on create. Click on create, right? Already exists. Okay, I already have a user name this already, so does not in your own you should not see this error like this. All right, I already have this already. So the next thing is to allow all privileges. Click on allow all privileges, scroll down, make changes, or next step, wherever you want to do. So let's click on make changes. Once I click on make changes, let's click on make changes. All right, see, perfect. So that base has been created successfully. So all you just have to do is to go back to this particular file right here, look for config folder right here, click on config. Once click on config, this db.php, edit db.php. All right, perfect. So that database name which we created just now, which is this. Note, when we're creating mine, I use my database name, my password, and my username, the same thing. All right, database name, that username, my password, and my database name is actually the same thing. So everything will be the same. So depending on what you use, that's what you will put right there. All right. So the next thing is to actually this particular place right here is where you can set your address. So that user can actually deposit on this particular website. This way you can set it. You have your USDT TRC20 address will go here. USDT TRC go here. USDT BNB will go here. Your Ethereum address, your Bitcoin address, your BNB address, and your Tron address will go right here. Alright, so once you have done that, don't forget to click on save changes right here. Save changes, or else that will not work. Alright, once you have done that, next thing to do now is to download our SQL file. Go back and okay, next part now is to go to the admin. This admin folder, because we have to set database in two places. Once you have done the first database inside this config and db.php, so just go back one level. Alright, next thing is to go into the admin. This particular one right here, admin. Go to admin, look for connection.php. This particular one right here, right click and edit it too. So your database name should go here too. Your password and your DB name should go here. Once you have done that, click on save. So once you save that, don't forget to click on save and see that it's successful. All right, perfect. So let's go back to the main place. All right, once you're in the main place, next thing now is to look for this SQL folder right here. SQL folder. Double click on that to download this particular file, SQL file right here. So go back to this particular place right here now. Then search for php my admin. Click on php my admin. Click on php my admin. Should load up something like this. It's loading. All right. Once you load this, see this. In your own, you should not see anything right here. But if you see something, just look for what the database name which created. This is my right here. Test. It's right here. Click on that. Once you click on it, you will see something like this. So click on import right here. Import. All right. Once click on import, just click on browse. That particular file which we downloaded, that SQL file, this is it right here. Click on it, then click on open, then scroll down and click on import. All right. Once click on import, just wait for it to finish importing. Once click on import, once it has imported, you see something like successful right at the top right here. All right. So while that is importing, let me show you how you can set up your email so a user can actually be receiving email on this website. All right. To do that is to go back and look for this config folder right here. Config, go to config, edit this functions.php, edit that. All right. Once you edit that, now next thing now is to actually show you how you can create an email to make this work. All right. So create an email. Go back to this particular page. Search for email. This particular one right here, email account. Click on that. Alright, once you click on email, take you straight to this particular place right here, email account. So just click on create to create a particular email. If you have an image, you can just use your email. Let's click on create. Once you click on create, all right, create. So you can create whatever name you want. You can do no reply, support, info, whatever name you want. You just write info. Just write info right here. Just leave it like that and click put your password right here. Once you put your password right here, click on create. All right. Once you click on create, you should have something like this. So already have an email already here, so you can just copy whatever email which you created. Then go back to this your functions.php file. Your host right here should be your domain name. All right, your domain name. Then your username here should be your email you created. Then your password should be your password. Then your set form should be your this part should be your email created, your site name, your email created, and your site name. So once you do that, that's all about this particular website. Let's see. We have done this installation guide. We have imported the SQL. We have edited the DB, the connection. We have done the function page. We have done everything already. So if you follow each and every step in this particular video, you should not have any issue at all. And everything should be working perfectly. See you in the next video. Bye bye.